Hey guys, welcome back to our channel VTN GT Vlogs. Today I'm really very excited to present this video to you as it's been more than a year that I had this set of pair of LEDs with me, and I could not fit it in my Skoda Rapid because of this adapter that I have always been talking about in our videos. So this is a H7 LED fitment. I won't suggest like take the name of the brand, as this is not a sponsored video, and it doesn't matter what brand you put in your car. It's the high luminous LED that you should put in. The set that I have, it's a 50-watt LED with which has more than 9,000 luminous per light, so it goes beyond 18,000 luminous combined. So when I talk about the adapter that I have been talking about in all my videos, so as you can see, the adapter that I got, the one I have been talking about is this. The company fitted one that comes up with our lights is has this square hole in between, where if you see it right now, it has a circular hole in it where the fitment, if I say H7 LED, the fitment that comes up here with it is this is the fitting which should go in here. As you can see, I had to bit it's not a straight fit. I had to bend it a bit from here, and also had to rub it with the sandpaper so as to remove the sharp edges so that it can get fitted. So as you can see, it is fitted in this clip of H7 bulb, and when you put this bulb in it, sorry, it has to be from this side, and it's a bit of a jiggle thing that you need to get done with, because it's, as you can see, like, you need to put it in here, and the fitment is like this that you need to fit. So this is now the clip has adapter as fitted in the LEDs, and these are now ready to put in. So I'll be moving towards a mechanic who will help me to put, like, as we need to remove the complete headset unit, like headlight unit from the car, and then fit these LEDs. I'll be moving towards a mechanic and get this thing done. So I'll put that video across. Thanks for now. As you can see in the image, mechanic had to remove the complete front buffer to remove the headlight unit out of the car. As the low beam projector headlight cannot be changed directly, you have to remove the complete headlight unit and then fit it in the headlight unit. So in the coming image you would see that I had bought this dome type headlight dust cover. These are required as the headlight LED headlight, when fitted in the headlight unit, would come extended out of the headlight unit, which where you cannot fit the original cover, and had to fit the dome. In this image you can see we mechanic had fit the dome, cut the dome dust cover and then fit it, and then we also have taped it so that the dust or the water cannot get inside the car. Now is the time to check the light in the dark. Hey guys, it's dark, it's late in the night. I have just started my car, and these are the DRLs that it is right now in, and let me show you this. LEDs are fitted in the car, and as you can see, I don't know how well my mobile is able to capture, but it's all white 6500 Kelvin LEDs. These are white, and this is the upper beam with that, which is Philips Extreme Vision G-Force, which are aligned properly. And let me put on the fogs. These are fogs. Now the configuration of my headlight has completed, I would say. And if I pull it a bit forward, I'll put off the high beam, take it further ahead, and you would be able to see light spreading towards the left, away good 25 feet away from my car, like to the left, the white light from the LEDs, and again the fogs going good 25-30 feet from my car to the right. And it's really very bright compared to the uh, company fitted bulbs. Let me take it somewhere and show you again. Give me a minute. Right now I am standing good 100 feet away from the wall, and you can see the white lights of LED the lower beam, it's focusing just good and pretty much away from my car. And as soon as I put on my fogs, it will just increase the spread up of the light, you can see. And when I put on my upper beam, high beam, it gives you that bright spots right ahead of you, giving it should be a very good visibility when I will be on the highway. When in the city roads, the low beam does the purpose. It's really very nice. It's white, bright compared to the uh, company fitted bulbs. When I put on the fog lamps, it gives me that spread to the left and to the right where the dividers come in very close to our car. Dividers are really very visible from this fog lamps because of these fog lamps. So like city drive has become smooth now, and also with this high beam upper aligned properly, it would be amazing to drive this car. And in city with this white lights, it would look premium. I'll just show you guys how it looks from outside. I'll put off the fog lamps, I'll get out of the car and show you how it looks. See the blue light. It looks awesome. The lights are spreading on my mobile lens, but it's fairly good. I'll show you the spread. It's look premium. Hope you like that. LEDs are looking good on our car. Thanks for watching me. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.